Hey boys and girls, so we have number boot camp again today with number 9. What number? 9. What number? 9. What number? 9. How do I write a 9? So, to make a 9, you're going to make a letter C and close it up like it's a letter O and come straight down. Don't even pick up your pencil. And you get number 9. Watch again. I'm going to make a C, close it up like an O, come straight down. You're going to start a little bit more like a circle than you would for a C. All the way up, close it, come straight down. 9. All right, boys and girls, so we're looking for all the ways to make 9. Let's start with this. Whoops, I forgot to change it back to my hand tool. Let's start with this number word here. N-I-N-E. 9. So does that match? Yes, it does. We're going to put it in there. It's our number word 9. All right. So if this is T-E-N, is that going to start with 9? No, because we already have 9 and 9 starts with N. This starts with a T. That's 10. So I don't want that one. Let's go ahead and look at the rest of the words. All right. Do you think this says 9 or ninth for our ordinal number? No, it says 10th because it starts with a T. So I'm going to move it to the bottom. Let's check and see if this is our ordinal number for 9, for ninth. Does it start with N? It does, and it says ninth. So if you are ninth in place, you are number 9 in line. So we do want that. So we have 9 and ninth. All right, let's start with our 10 frame right here. All right, remember, if it's a 10 frame, that means there's 10 squares, and if I had all 10 filled in, I would have 10. All right, so if I added one, I would have 10, but I don't. So what is one less than 10? Meaning, what comes before 10? It's 9. So do I want this? Yes. If you're not sure, you could have counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. It does have 9, so we do want it. So I need to move it into my 10 frame circle. I need to move the 10 frame into the circle. And I have it as 5 on the top plus 4 on the bottom to equal 9. Very good. All right, so let's check this one. Look, my 10 frame is full. So if it's called a 10 frame and it's full, how many are there? 10. Good job. You don't even need to count it. You can look at it and know that that's 10. But if you didn't, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you have a full 10 frame, then you don't even need to count it. That's already 10. And we're going to be working on that this year where I show some 10 frames to you really quickly and you'll be able to get them really fast. That's 10 right away. So we don't want that one. It's too many. Let's check these dots right here. Let's see how many I have on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 red and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow. Do you think that's going to make 9 if I have 5 on the top for red and 4 yellow on the bottom? I see something else that had 5 and 4 that we put in our circle map. Look back at our circle chart. Do you see the 10 frame? It had 5 on the top and 4 on the bottom, just like this one did. So I'm going to say yes, it has 9. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It does. So what do I need to do with it? I need to move it into the 10 frame, right? All right, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And I had how many red? 5. Plus how many yellow? 4. And that equals to 9. So 5 and 4 is a way to make 9. All right, let's check my domino here. Ooh, this one's a little tricky. I see 2 on the bottom right away. I need to check those blue on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10. Do I want that one? Nope, too many, so I'm going to put it at the bottom. Ooh, look at this funny thing here. Look at my tally marks. Ooh, what do you notice about my tally marks? They both have diagonal lines. So I have a group of 5 and another group of 5. That means I can count by 5s. 5, 10. 5, 10. I have 10 tally marks. Do I want 10? No, I don't. Too many, so I'm going to move it to the bottom. All right, let's check these dots here. Now, I already have some red and yellow dots in my circle frame, so I'm going to guess I probably don't want these, but I need to make sure. So let's count how many red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. Well, I know that 5 and 4 makes 9. So 5 and 5 probably doesn't make 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. So do I want that? No, I don't. That's too many. So am I going to put it on my circle chart? No, I'm not. I'm going to move it to the bottom. Ooh, we're not getting very many. Let's try these tally marks here. All right, what do you see? You see a diagonal line, so that means already that's 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see 5 on the left, 4 on the right. We know that 5 and 4 does make 9 because we see it in our circle chart. So do I want this one? Yes, I do. So I need to move this into my circle chart. And it's also showing 5 plus 4 to equal 9. I wonder if there's any other ways to make 9. It seems like we're only getting 5 and 4. All right, let's check our hands. Oh, I have both my hands and all my fingers up. If you hold up both your hands and all your fingers, how many fingers does that make? That makes 10. I've got 5 and another 5. 5, 10. All right, so do we want that one? No, we don't. So I'm going to move it at the bottom. It's too much. We only want 9. Let's try these hands. All right, I see 5 fingers and 4 fingers. 5 fingers and 4 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is again. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So do I want this set of hands? I do want this set of hands. I do want this set of hands. So let me get those lines off of it so I can grab it. I do want these set of hands. And, whoa, look at that. It's stretched out crazy. And again, guys, I have 5 plus 4 equals 9. There must be no other ways to make 9. We'll have to see because it's looking like they're all 5 and 4. All right, let's check our domino. All right, this is a different one. I don't have a domino yet. I have 6 on the top and 3 on the bottom. I have 6 on the top and 3 on the bottom. I know this is 6, so I don't need to count it. I'm just going to count on 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, does that give me 9? Yes, we finally have another way to get 9. So I'm going to move it into my circle chart. But this time I get to write 6 on the top plus 3 on the bottom equals 9. So I have 6 plus 3 to make 9. All right, all that I have left are our stars. So let's bring both of them over and see which one you think might have 9. The top or the bottom? This is a little tricky. All right, I see 3, 3, and 3 on the top one. So I see a group of 6 and then a group of 3. And here the first thing I saw was a group of 8 and a group of 2. So if I have 8, 9, 10, do we want that one on the bottom? No, that's too many. So that means our 9 is probably on the top. But let's check. So I have these stars here. Let's count them all. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Count with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9. Do I want that for my circle map? I do. So I have 9 stars. So I can put that on. And since I have 9 and I want 9, do I need any more? If I already have 9 and that's what I want? No, so we would write that as 9 plus 0 equals 9. All right, so let's look at our boot camp. Let's look at what we have for 9. I have the number word 9. I have the ordinal number 9th. Both of those make 9, okay? I have my 10 frame here that shows 9 by doing 5 and 4. I have my dots here, which shows 5 red and 4 yellow to make 9. I have my tally marks down here, which shows me 5 tally marks plus 4 more to get 9. I have my hand showing 5 fingers plus 4 fingers to get 9. Over here I have my domino. I have 6 on the top and 3 on the bottom to get 9. And then my last one, I have 9 stars altogether. I have 9 plus 0 more, still gives me 9. All right, boys and girls, I have all the ways to make 9. What number? 9. What number? 9. What number? 9. And how do I write a 9? I'm going to start at the top, curve around like I'm making C, close it up like a 0, come straight down for a 9. Make a curve up, close it up, come straight down for 9. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you tomorrow for 10. That comes next.